Welcome to all of you. In our today's session, we'll see how Vedic Maths would be helpful in competitive exams. But before that, let's see first which exams are we referring to when we are talking about competitive exams. There are many types of competitive exams. In school, there is Maths Olympiad, and after 12, there is CLAT, SAT. After graduation for higher studies, there is CAT, GMAT, GRE. And for jobs, there is campus recruitment, SSC CGL, bank PO. And now you might be thinking that in this competitive exam, how Vedic Maths would be helpful, how Vedic Maths would be related. Actually, in these exams, there will be questions from quantitative aptitude and data interpretations. And to excel in these two sections, a good calculation skill will be needed. And for this, Vedic Maths will be very helpful for you because you can do any calculation faster mentally with the help of Vedic Maths. This is our ancient systems of India, and it consists of 16 sutras and 13 subsutras. And the applications of Vedic Maths will be very helpful for many fields of maths: arithmetical, algebra, simplification, and many more higher maths will use Vedic Maths applications. But you must be thinking that Vedic Maths is so vast. How can you identify which techniques are useful for competitive exams? So that's why, to help you, we at Welcome to Maths have created this well-designed course, Vedic Maths course for competitive exams. And I have designed this course in that way so that you will get maximum benefits. So now let's see the key features of the course. In this course, to help you, I have delivered more than 40 lectures, and all the lectures are in recorded form so that you can watch the lectures at your own pace. And now, whenever you learn something, after that, what is important? Practice. Practice is very important because practice makes us the master. And for practice in our course, you will get more than 300 questions so that you can learn how to apply the learned concepts. Not only that, all the practice quizzes comprises detailed solutions so that you can check where you can increase your speed and improve your accuracy. Now let's talk about the validity of the course. If you do all the things sincerely, then you can complete this course only in 3 weeks. That is in 21 days. But validity of the course is 3 months so that you can revise the concepts. Okay? And do you know what is the significance of 21 days? Research says in 21 days you can make a habit. If you complete this course sincerely in 21 days, it would increase your speed, it would improve your accuracy, and most important, you can crack the competitive exams. Okay? And it will be very helpful throughout your life. So, that is all for the day. See you in the class. Thank you.